Grüß Gott, meine Damen und Herren. Dankeschön. So, my name is Yamamoto from Mitsubishi Electric FA System, FA Factory Automation System Group. And thank you for inviting me today for this conference. I'm very honored to join this meeting. Today, I would like to introduce our activities within the trend of IoT and Industry 4.0. So, first of all, I'm going to give brief introduction of our company. Maybe so most of you don't know what is Mitsubishi Electric. There are a lot of Mitsubishi and Mitsubishi Heavy Industry, Mitsubishi Banking, and so on, so on, so on. It's very confusing you. And Mitsubishi Electric, we are electric company. And there are major 5 business units we have. The first one, we have Energy and Electric Systems business unit. This is infrastructure, energy infrastructure, or energy distribution system, and so on they are handling. The second one is the Information and Communication Systems business unit. This business unit offers several communication systems, including satellite systems and so on. The third is Electric Device System business unit. We are concentrating into the semiconductor devices, especially power devices and optic devices. The fourth, Home Appliance business unit, including TV, refrigerator, or something else like that. And then, fifth, the last one is Industrial Automation business unit, which I belong. This business unit offers industrial devices for the manufacturing industry and automotive electrical equipment. I'm Group Senior Vice President of the Factory Automation Systems in this Industrial Automation System business unit. As its name suggests, the FA System Group offers a broad range of industrial devices such as PLC, SPS systems, servo systems, VFD systems, or CNC, and so on, robots, electric discharge machine, and so on. This is some kind of competitor of Siemens. Hopefully, so I believe that they are thinking about us as a competitor. We are thinking so, but we are very small company from them, from you, and so I don't know. Anyway, so we provide such a...
We highly respect you.
Thank you. So, well, it has been 4 or 5 years since Germany introduced the Industrial 4.0 concept to the market. In the meantime, we, Mitsubishi Electric, also have been introducing a similar concept. The name is e-factory. That is since 2003 we offer. The principle of this e-factory is to integrate FA technology into together with IT technology into manufacturing floor. This technology combines the technology to achieve Kaizen improvement in the manufacturing site. To achieve this goal, we have been providing solutions to connect variety of controllers or machines in the factory and collect necessary informations. As you may know, there are a lot of equipment in the factory, and how to connect such machines or equipments and how to collect these data, it's very important. We are proud that we have installed more than 5,000 projects, mainly in the automotive and semiconductor industry. On the other hand, connecting as a factory floor is not enough now. It is necessary to connect not only production floor, but including supply chain or engineering chain. This is also necessary to connect in such a phases. Data management area is expanding, we can say. Due to meet this trend and requirement, we started our e-factory alliance activity. Alliance is anyway very important now, which our partnership program with a diversity of partners, companies offering good opportunity or connectivity with our partners' products. We have started as activity in Japan, Europe, US, and China, and encourage collaboration among the partners so that we can provide optimal solutions to the customers. At present, about 400 companies are joining in this partnership program. We acknowledge integrating FA with IT technology has a lot of issues to overcome. Not only connectivity, but also collecting data, and then some other many issues overcome, such as network protocols, standardization of data interfaces, handling of collected data, and property of rights. And we recognize that security is a very serious issue among these issues. It's now rising up. I have heard that there are many studies on these issues in Germany. Of course, these issues have also been raised and discussed in Japan too. However, when it comes to security in the manufacturing industry and the factory floor, there are more points to be considered than information security systems, such as how to assess the security not only in the IT technology area, but in the operation technology area, like PLC, controllers, drives, etc., and implementing effective countermeasures. This is very important. As example, how a control system acts when an incident occurs is very important. Can it stop safely? Oh, okay, so some incident happened, but the equipment cannot stop immediately. It is not always right. Maybe stop in safe manner. That is very important in case of a manufacturing system. Or continue working in manufacturing. Not stop, just cut the lines and recover and work its own self to continue the production or something like that. It's maybe one of the good solutions. Anyway, such a safety area is also necessary. Thus, we can say that in addition to OECD's security three elements, there are three elements by OECD: confidentiality, integrity, availability, and then in case of manufacturing industry area, safety. This should be required. In practice, I have heard many reports about incidents at the factory floor. Among them, there are incidents which may lead the facility damages or persons, workers, injuries. So we must not forget the safety aspect. To ensure safety, we have to consider not only measures from IT, but also whole system measures by IT and the control systems such as PLC again. On the other hand, in reality, in the factory, so as Mr. Schönborn pointed, the factory manager is still not paying enough attention to security. This is the reality. For example, when installing a wireless LAN system, in case of middle or small-sized enterprises, tend not assign a responsible person for security because of the limited human resources, manpower, or budget. They are still putting it off for the future. Of course, security measures require cost. However, it is important to recognize the potential costs that could occur when no measures are taken by calculating loss of actual damage. It is very important. When installing network system, it is important that senior management of enterprises or factory to evaluate the potential risk in the system. Imagine the worst case possible and estimate the monetary damage caused. Based on this understanding, take the necessary security measures while taking the cost balance into consideration. We think this is a realistic approach. Additionally, consulting public institutions or consultants or getting grants from the government are also good steps to take. Coincidentally, in Japan, a public-private collaboration campaign, the name is Cyber Security Month, has been started since 1st of February till 18th March. Just now, this is under this campaign. During this period, NISC, this is the government organization, National Center of Incident Readiness and Strategy for Cybersecurity, or IPA in Japan. That is also organization. The name is Information Technology Promotion Agency Japan. We run a public awareness campaign through the web and various channels. This is one example showing the increasing awareness for security in Japan. So, by the way, the period is until 18th March. There is a meaning. So March, it is in Japanese, we say san, sangatsu, san. The 18, this is 1-8. In Japanese, we say 1 is I, ichi, I. 8, it is, we say ba. Sa, I, ba. This is the meaning of 18th of March. Just for your information. On the other hand, security is one of the collaboration items between German's Platform Industry 4.0 and Japan's Robot Revolution Initiative, which I take part in. I believe we can achieve more in this area as security in specific is a topic we should cooperate instead of competing. This is a pure collaboration area. So there's no competing area, I believe. Well, Japan is a partner country of SVP in March next month. Please expect to see exhibit about activities between Germany and Japan collaborations in various fields during the exhibition SVP. Anyway, the information about cyber security in industry area is increasing a lot. In this situation, we have to study and select the most suitable measures to own assets, to own factories, or own systems. There is the best suitable solution. Anyway, it is always costly, and human resources is necessary. This is always on the balances. Keeping in mind the increasing awareness of security today, I'm looking forward to hearing opinions, especially on security in this control system area from you, everybody. Thank you very much. Thank you.